In this quick video, I will show you how to burn Shiba Inu coin step by step. So the first step is to go to shiburn.com and then go to burn addresses here. So there are three addresses here. The first one is mostly used since it is the same address co-founder of Ethereum used to burn 6.7 billion in SHIB tokens. The second address is the same one used by the same for Shiba Swap listings. And lastly, the third address is called the black hole, which is the same one used for renaming Shibushi's NFT. So all these addresses is a dead wallet. So if you want to burn your Shiba Inu coin, you can send your Shiba Inu coin through any of these addresses. And note that you will not be able to get back your Shiba Inu coin once you send your Shiba Inu coin through any of these addresses. So for example, let's go to Trust Wallet here and click SHIB, then click send and copy the address here, paste the address, and you can now type the amount of SHIB you want to burn. And if you have any questions about how to burn Shiba Inu coin, leave a comment below.